This video will introduce you to the basic interface of the chapter and committee sites, show you how to log in, and show you what the options on the menu are. It will also tell you which other videos to see to find out how to use the functions in the menus. As you can see, I'm here on the projects website, which is a website that I use to post announcements and information on various projects. You can see on the front page there's an article by Ted Tarosi about the encyclopedia of the most recent update. So first I'm going to log in, and the login link is at the very bottom of the page. That's because in most cases you will be the only person logging into the site. Most people won't log in. So I found the link, I'll click on it. Now I'm at the login screen. Now here I'll enter my username and password, which is the same as what I used to log into the Sabre website. And when I'm done, click Login. Now I'm logged in. You can see that the site looks much like it does before, except now that I have a menu on the left that will allow me to edit content and add content and change my settings. On the right, you just saw there's a pin on paper icon next to the article that allows you to edit that article. Onto the menu. First is your settings, which will allow you to change your account settings. Where it says your name, that shows up as a byline on any article that you write. If you change that, it will affect all the articles that you've published in the past and the ones that you publish in the future. You can set your email, which is not really used for anything on these sites, but it will probably be set to your correct email already, and you can change your password. All the options below that you probably won't need to change. Going back, the next option is to add an article. Now, I will click on this to show you what it looks like. The next video in the series covers the use of this screen, editing, submitting articles, and how to do that. But you can see the screen here, and an article is what the software, the word the software uses to refer to any piece of content, a news update, a page on the website. You can see that the interface looks kind of like a word processor that you're used to using, and there are some other options at the bottom that we will go over in the next video. The next option on the menu is Category Help, which will show you a list of the different categories on your site. There's a whole video on that subject as well that you can watch. The next three options are about events, and there's a video on events that will allow you to add events if you have chapter events, for example. Below that is the section for uncategorized articles, which is explained in the category videos. And below that is a button that allows you to log out. And so at this time I will log out, and we will see that we will return to the normal view of the site that people see when they aren't logged in. There you can see Ted Tarosi's byline on an article that he's written, and he could change that if he wanted to log in by changing his user settings. That should be enough to get you started. If you'd like to post an article, you can watch the next video now.